Hi, I'm TLBurriss, a LinkedIn strategist and trainer. I help business professionals in all types of industries learn how to use LinkedIn as a business tool. A very purposeful set of best practices and tactics and philosophies that they use to grow their business and achieve their business goals. One of the things I hear on a regular basis is that college students are being told to create a LinkedIn profile. And that's fabulous. And I understand that they're being told this by career counselors and professors and communications professors throughout their at least the second half of their college career. Again, I applaud all of those who are telling these students to go create their LinkedIn profiles. However, what's happening, or the gap that is being created, is that these individuals who are recommending that college students get LinkedIn profiles, they have lots of other things that they need to be doing and other areas that they're teaching these students in. And it's not how to use LinkedIn as a business tool or career tool, which, by the way, goes hand in hand. What I do in my workshops and seminars with college students is I take this idea of being on LinkedIn to another level. And I help these students understand three very important things. Number one is how to build the right LinkedIn profile. And by the way, this is a journey, not a race, which means what you create today on your LinkedIn profile may not be where you leave it tomorrow, because there may be other information. Actually, there absolutely will be other information you want to put on your LinkedIn profile as you develop in school and in your career. So I'm very purposeful about guiding college students in order so that they can use LinkedIn long term, again, throughout their entire career. The second thing I do with college students is I help them understand the power of networking, the power of connecting, and teach them not only the power of it, but how they can do it, how to connect with the right people in different times in their career, in different times in their business journey, so that they're always looking to connect with their most important viewer and their influencers, as also while they're also willing to connect with people they can help. And this, again, is a very deliberate, purposeful set of best practices and philosophies that college students and the rest of us need to learn in order to get the greatest value as we build our LinkedIn network, again, in very purposeful ways. And the third thing I teach college students is how to do something that most people do not do, and that's how to engage. Most people on LinkedIn are not taught the purpose and the value of engagement, let alone how to do it. So in my seminars and workshops, I teach college students how to engage in very meaningful ways. Because at the end of the day, it's the engagement and the content that we share on social media that helps develop and present our professional brand to those people who see and or engage on our content. So in closing, I'm TLBurriss. I'm a LinkedIn strategist and trainer, and I want college students to understand the power of using LinkedIn in very meaningful ways focused on their goals. So I am taking my seminars, my workshops, and my webinars, my presentations and keynotes that I've been delivering to corporations and associations around the country, and I want to bring those to college students to help them. So if this makes sense, if this is something that would be of interest to you and or to your students, I would love an opportunity to have a conversation in regards to how I could help.